How does sun damage today risk skin cancer later in life? We are always shedding the outer skin layer, so shouldn't that solve the problem? This is a topic that can be really complicated, and lots of research about this field is still ongoing. We have tried to simplify this, so please take this with a grain of salt. We also found a cool way to find out how your skin could have looked without exposure to the sun. We will get to that later. Your cells are constantly dividing and repairing any damaged cells, so sun damage shouldn't really be an issue, right? Any damaged skin cell is just shed and replaced by a new one. But this is not the real problem. The layer of the skin that gets shed is not where the issue is. The problem lies a little deeper. Just under the outer skin layer, we got these factory cells that produce the outer skin cells. These factory cells stick around a long time and can also be damaged by UV radiation. And when that happens, problems can occur because these are not simply shed. Let's take a look at how the system works. The cells in your body are constantly dividing and repairing any damaged cells. This system has evolved over millions of years, and it works extremely well most of the time. Sometimes a cell can be damaged by the sun in such a way that the body does not see that cell as damaged. This is most likely not a problem today, but years later and many copies later, that damaged cell has been copied many times over, and sometimes getting a little worse or damaged in some other way while copying. Now you got a cell that is damaged in not such a good way. A cancer cell. That little thing that wasn't a problem before is now a big problem. Now you have a cancer cell that is still dividing and slowly spreading. This means sun exposure increases the risk of cancer by starting this whole chain of events. It does not mean that you 100% will get cancer from being out in the sun, it just means that the risk is increased. Most of the time this damaged cell will never become anything more than that. Studies have shown that the body is constantly shutting down cells with bad mutations that could become or already are cancer. More damaged cells just increases the risk of one cell getting through this filter. All in all, take precautions if possible, and remember, a window does not block all UV radiation. Sun damage through a window is still very possible. You can actually see the damage from sun exposure directly on your skin by the way it looks, or rather, how wrinkled and saggy it is. This is called photoaging. This means the sun ages your skin and makes it look older. And again, as mentioned before, this can also happen even though you are behind a window. One funny and easy way to see the photoaging on your own skin is comparing skin that doesn't get any sun with skin that does. Take for example a look at your butt. That is probably not getting a lot of sun, and this makes it a great example of how your skin could have looked without sun. Cool, right? This is also a great argument for why the best anti-aging cream is probably sunscreen. As always, I hope you got a little smarter. Comment down below if you got any questions or topics you want us to look at. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Smash the like button and subscribe to get a little smarter every now and then. See you in the next video.